Good morning, everybody, and this is your day trade setups for the DAX. So 1400 was again the line in the sand. We kind of gapped up into it and then immediately sold off. We ended up with a range bar, so it kind of goes with the pattern, does it? Down, up, down, up, down. What's the next logical sequence? Another green bar. So the key thing here is you are forming higher highs and higher lows at the moment. So each day it is trending to the upside. So if we start moving down to levels that we can trade, and yesterday was kind of a difficult one because it gapped up, went straight up to 1400, and then the bears sold off it. So there's the 1400. It's not quite 1400, but you get the picture. So you can see the straight up and then sold off it. And there was another opportunity to buy, but that was kind of taken away from you as well. And this thing is still, it's really frustrating at the moment. I mean, this, when you look at the oscillators at the moment, that's a pure indication of confusion, and that's exactly what's happening. So bears have no intention of letting us get past 1400. And the longer this goes on, the higher the probability is when we do break 1400, it is going to be a violent move to the upside. So just keep that in mind. So if you do keep getting stopped on this thing, trying to chase the break of this, just switch off, move away from it, look for the downside and keep taking profit there. Look for the opportunity to buy and sell at 1400 or just below 1400. Don't try and chase this at the moment until we get a break and a clear structure that's going to give us some opportunities here. So at the moment, there's no clear structure. I mean, if I just start putting up, there's my first level, we've bounced off that. I'm just going to put these three levels in here to the downside. So each one of these fractals is a level, and you can see we've bounced off all of them. So we first bounced off that one, then we bounced off this one, and then we bounced off this one. So three fractals, if you see here, three fractals up, three fractals up. So lots of potential structure here. So, okay, so let's just go with this one here. So you can see we had a bit of a gap up for the first hour, and that was a pre-market trade there, that bar there, and then immediately went up to the top, sold off there and down. Look at your oscillators at the moment. Okay, we are diversion, so in other words, low, high, oscillators low, lower. You can see the blue line there above this dotted line here, that's higher than this one ever so slightly. So we have the oscillators in a downward trend, but price in an upward trend. That is a fairly bullish signal. And the other thing to bear in mind is yesterday we haven't really had a 150 EMA retest. So you can see we had a retest here, but then we dropped below it, then back above it, didn't quite test it here. So you're always going to expect a move back down to that area. Question is, was this that move? So is this what we need to be doing? At the moment, the DAX is hovering 0.3 down, 1388.2. 1388.2. Just kind of get my mouse back. It's down here, pretty much back on this area here. So yeah, it is Friday, and remember, so, a lot of times Friday there's profit taking, and there was quite a big move in the US on Wednesday. So there could be some profit taking that's going to come into this today. We'll have to wait and see what transpires there. But for me at the moment, this is sit quietly and wait for some structure, because there's nothing on offer here. This is range bound. You can see, look to the left, we're stuck in this range. I don't even see real good opportunities to the downside that I want to be buying off. This diversion does give me some hope that there is a continuation play in play. But 1400 is a line in the sand. We need to get above it. So get above 1400, we've got longs. Get below 1388.33, we need to start looking for shorts. So that's kind of the play that I have at the moment. It is range bound, so not something that I'm going to be looking at today, unless something dramatic happens. But I don't think there's anything on the cards right now. Okay, so that's it for me on the DAX. Hope it helps, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We do this every day, and I'll be back on Sunday afternoon with a video. I'm not sure what it's going to be just yet. I will let the polls run for a little while, and then we'll make a decision on that. Anyway, hope it helps you somewhat, and we will catch up with you later on. Enjoy the day, and cheers for now.